Hey, Chris here from RF Venue. I want to introduce you to the new RFPA extension kit. The RFPA extension kit works with any portable PA system to bring reliable, high-fidelity wireless to every corner of your event. RFPA includes a 2-channel analog FM rack mount transmitter, along with a pair of IP-rated remote receivers with configurable delay settings. Setup is fast and easy with frequency sync, switchable 10 to 50 milliwatt transmit power, along with dedicated RF power on and off, and an audio pass-through so it can stay installed in your rack and in the signal path even when the power is turned off. That means the RFPA is ready when you need it, even at the last minute on a show. Here's a closer look at the transmitter, where you connect your audio inputs, set your transmit frequencies, and configure other system settings via the front panel. The receivers are IP44 rated for weather-resistant performance and feature onboard delay controls up to 800 milliseconds. Onboard RF and audio level meters allow the system performance to be checked at a glance. The RFPA extension kit is an excellent fit for live sound events of all kinds. For breakout spaces in green rooms, walk-in music in lobbies, or for large outdoor events like fireworks and parades, RFPA is a must-have tool for any live sound toolkit. Here's some field testing that was done at Levi's Stadium, where the RFPA operated across the entire football field with the included half-wave antennas. Here, the RFPA is configured with an Electro Voice eVerse 8 portable PA speaker. The RFPA receiver comes with a 12-volt DC power supply, but can be powered by an external battery, or in this case, the eVerse's onboard battery and DC power out connection for the ultimate wireless PA rig. Here's some outdoor range testing that was done at a large high school sports complex. With the supplied half-wave antennas on the transmitter and receivers, at 10 milliwatt low power settings, about 350 feet or a little over 100 meters was achieved before the RF link began to fade. With the same setup, transmitting at 50 milliwatts, 550 feet or roughly 170 meters was achieved. As you can see, the RFPA's coverage is excellent for large outdoor areas in the default configuration, right out of the box. No external equipment required. And we've seen great results in indoor venues as well. Here's what beta testers had to say about the performance and experience of using the RFPA extension kit. The photo on the right is from a football training camp where the RFPA extension kit was deployed to cover a large viewing area for the fans. The result was hours of setup time saved with a nice clean footprint and excellent PA coverage. The RFPA extension kit comes in 3 configurations. The standard set is 1 rack mount transmitter and 2 receivers. Then there's a discounted 8-pack for deploying more than 2 PA speakers. And lastly, single receivers can be purchased to add more capability over time as needed. So there's our walkthrough of the new RFPA extension kit. To take your portable PA projects to the next level, be sure to visit rfvenue.com or reach out to us directly at info@rfvenue.com. Thanks for watching.